It's an exciting night here at home with Anita Rosner because my very dear friends, Dave and Carrie Kerpen, are coming for a socially distant cookout. And I can't wait because I haven't seen them in months. And I decided to mark the occasion. I would make something very special. It's not that special. Super easy, but it's really delicious. I'm gonna make a beer butt chicken. And I know that doesn't sound very refined. It's not like chicken paillade or chicken cordon bleu. It's beer butt chicken because I'm gonna stick this can of beer. Well, you'll see. Need a chicken, a can of beer, some garlic salt, and seasonings. I love this seasoning for chicken, but you could put whatever you want on there. If you like tarragon, if you like cayenne pepper, live it up. There are no rules. It's entirely up to you. And the oil that I'm using, I actually fried a chicken in this oil, let it cool, strained it through a wire mesh, and then put it back in the bottle and kept it in the fridge. I could use it one more time to fry more chicken, or I could use it in other dishes. And it's amazing because it's seasoned. You can see what's settled in the bottom. It's seasoned from the fried chicken. So it smells like fried chicken. And that is going to impart another layer of flavor into the meal. So let's get started. I'm using about a quarter cup of oil. And then we are going to massage the chicken. Just get the oil everywhere. Get it everywhere. Under the pits. Now we're going to season the chicken on both sides and inside. So we're just going to sprinkle. And the reason I'm holding the spice up high before I sprinkle it down is not because I'm trying to be fancy. It's so that I don't end up with one big glob of spice. Pour some inside. And then we're going to do the same with the garlic salt. So here's where the beer comes in. I'm going to open a can of beer. We're going to pour out half the can. I don't usually drink beer, but when I do, I put it inside of a chicken. Okay, now in the can, this is optional, but I like to do it. In the can, I'm going to put a whole clove of garlic that I sliced in half. And a few pieces of onion. Just have to stuff it in there. And now, what we're going to do is we're going to stand the chicken on the can of beer and put it on the grill. Okay. Now you want to use a separate pan so that the drippings from the chicken don't cause flare-ups inside the grill. All right, so there's your can. And here's your chicken. Don't be shy, come on. We're just going to stand it right up. Like that. And put it on the grill. So I decided to check it. I've been checking every 45 minutes. I just wanted you to hear that sizzling. It's almost done. So I'm so excited because Carrie is here.
Hi!
And
I'm so excited. I feel like I'm in the presence of a celebrity. I watch and love your show.
look who's talking. I was saying to my viewers that I don't think we've seen each other since December.
It's been
Is
a
that
long
possible?
time. It's been a really, really too long.
All right.
I don't care what I have to wear on my face or what I have to do to stay safe. I'm just so happy to see you.
We're so happy, but we didn't hug.
We
You
did
know,
it.
rules
Air
are
hug.
rules.
Air hug.
Rules are rules. So, are you ready to see your dinner?
I'm ready to see it.
Okay. Perfect.
Perfect.
But this is the fun part.
Okay, I'm ready.
Getting it off the grill.
I have no idea how to do this, Anita.
Well, what I think I want to do is
Okay.
to just try sliding it
Okay.
over here.
Okay, this looks doable.
All right. And now she has to rest.
Okay.
I'm going to turn it
Just
this
rest.
way. Just rest. Relax.
I know.
Calm
You've
yourself.
been through a lot.
So while this is resting, because
Okay.
if I cut it now, it'll lose all its juice.
Okay.
So while this is resting, I'll throw the corn on the cob on, and then we can have dinner.
Fabulous. Can't wait.
All right, let's do it.